Hey guys, Antonio here with Too Much Outdoors. On this episode, we're going van camping, taking our $100 canoe on its maiden voyage, catching some bait, cooking up some really delicious food, and hooking up with some big fish. And of course, we're going to have a fantastic time, bringing you along for the ride. Alright, well here's the $100 canoe. It's going to be my second time taking it out, but it's going to be Margot's first time. We're here at my grandma's lake. Take it out real quick tonight. It's about 6:30, so we don't have a lot of time, but we're gonna see if we can catch some fish real quick. Well, there she is, a 1975 Free Spirit. It's a Sears and Roebuck's. Goes pretty quick, doesn't it?
It does.
Chicharrones.
It's an alligator.
An alligator. There we go. First fish in the new boat. Got the 30-pound thrust control motor. There he goes. Gobble, 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 gobble. Honk. Honk. Got something?
Yep, just catch the day. Hey, this is my first fish of 2024.
Look at that. That's a solid second fish right there. There he is next to my boat. Should I just leave the kayak canoe here
That's what I was thinking.
on the dock? Well, we're at the lake and we were gonna do some catfishing, but it's raining now, but we're just hunkering down in the van. But it's alright. Got some ice cream and some whipped cream, and we'll be good until the rain passes, I think. Well, we're gonna be doing some catfishing, so we gotta catch us a little bait. I've already thrown the cast net around the edges a few times, and I haven't got anything. So we might take the canoe out in the middle and see if we can find some shad or something. But we just seen a fish jump out in the middle there. Nothing. So I threw that net about 100 times now, and all I got was a largemouth bass and a big crappie. And Margot throws it her very first time. Show us what you got.
Little bluegill. Perfect.
There you go. Here, pull that and then pick that up and it'll come out. There we go. That'll be good bait. Alright, I got some drop shot weights tied on there just because that's what I had, and then a little swivel, and then that hook, and I'll tight line that. Hook this bluegill right through the back fins, him just right there in the middle, and clean the scales off the tip of that hook. I have these real cheap bait alarms. They just hook onto your rod and you run your line through that. When it gets tight, lets you know.
Very good throw.
That's a little better.
That's better. Not perfect, but better. Ah, look at me! I caught 2 little fishies!
There you go. Here we go, got some bait. Got some toilet paper and some fire starters. Let's see if I can. Well, we got our fire going, and we got 2 rods out, so it's supposed to rain a little bit more tonight, but hopefully we get some bites. We got, that one has the bite alarm on it, and then we have just a bell on this rod here. Alright, we're keeping it simple today. Got a package of hot dogs and some ketchup and mustard. And of course some pork grinds. Ooh, pork grinds.
Excuse you. Excuse you. Rude.
We also got some pickled beets. Want one, Margot?
I'm good. I'm good.
Beet?
Sure one. I don't know if I've had them.
Take your cup, haven't you?
Oh,
Been good.
yeah.
We're getting some bites on this rod. Nothing. False alarm. Alright, no bites yet, really. Fire's starting to go out. I think we're gonna go in the van and just relax and hang out in there. Alright, we're in the van. We're about to head to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We just woke up and we woke up to the line shooting out to the right. So we'll see if we got anything on it. I think there might be something on there. There. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh, nice. All right. That's a big one. a good one right there. All right, we're gonna put them back so we can get bigger. He did a belly flop. All right, well, we're gonna be heading out because it's Mother's Day, and I'm gonna grab my mom some of her presents that we got her, and then we'll be back out at the lake because my sister and aunt and uncle and my cousin are all coming out. All right, it's Memorial Day weekend and we got the van packed up. I got some catfishing rods and we're gonna go do some van camping. The sky's looking a little dark. Hopefully that doesn't become a problem. Me and Margot, we're just doing a little bobber fishing, trying to catch some bluegill for bait for catfishing later. All right, the first thing we need to do is acquire some worms. It's gonna be 1,000 earthworms in here. Oh, that's a good one right there. Oh, he's tiring it out. Oh, he's got a second wind on him. Now! Oh, there he is. That's a good one. Put some bowling balls. The bowling ball worms under that one. Alright, there we go. Got my pot of worms. There we go. Oh yeah. It's a good one.
Some of them I just didn't touch. Like this, I didn't touch.
Looks like we just had a bump on this rod.
Van Life YouTube?
Oh yeah. We're gonna make some hamburgers. Hamburgers. I just got that grilling grate from a Dollar General. This is what's on the menu. Got some bacon, cheddar patties. Oh yeah. The sturdiest contraption here, but I think it'll work. Ooh. Oh yeah. Test our burger out. Uh-oh. I'm losing all my marshmallow.
Happy spider.
Well, no fish tonight, but it's getting pretty late. It's about 11:30, so we're gonna head into the van. So no fish last night, so we'll have to get into them another day. Alright, if you liked that video and you want to see more, subscribe to the Too Much Outdoors YouTube channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.